Hey guys, get ready with me to start my day looking at my sunburn and all my hair. Guys, what can I use to get rid of all this chin hair? Anyways, still using the tea tree scrub. I haven't gotten to, buying something else, but I am now applying it to my neck because one of you guys said anything I'm using on my face, I should also use it on my neck. So I'm just, jazzing and enjoying my little moments and brushing my teeth, contemplating my life choices and all that jazz. But so I just try to wash it off and get my neck and all of that and looking how fresh my face looks. Hi Jenny. So guys, when I do the pat thing, I just don't feel like my face is dry enough, but I'm still trying the pat thing. So I'm just, spraying my hair. It's just water with some peppermint oil. I don't know why I added the peppermint oil to the water, but I just added it. Anyways, using that black castor oil to just apply it all over my head and rub it in. So now I'm using the Eco Styler Gel and the Ocean. I'm using the Eco to define my curls, and then I'm going to use the Ocean as an edge control type of thing. Not sure if it controls my edges, but that's what I'm doing. So you see, trying to define them little curls. And at this time, I'm thinking, I really need to add some color to my hair. But then I didn't want to bleach my hair again because I think it's hindering the growth. But my hair just look, I don't even know, but it's all different type of colors and it don't look all that nice right now. So I might have to bleach it again to give it some next pop of color. But and for the love of me, I cannot swoop them edges. I am not an edges girl, but I just saw life goes sometimes, right? It never looked too bad. So now I'm gonna decide, okay, change my clothes, and I'm a chopstick type of girl, so yeah.